Hello, my name is Andrew, and today I want to show you the env0 extension for Visual Studio Code. The extension allows you to see env0's environments within the VS Code interface. This allows you as a Terraform or any infrastructure as code developer to stay within the VS Code context, to view the environments that were affected, execute actions on those environments, see the real-time logs, along with seeing notifications for any environment status changes or environments pending for approval. Let's show you how that works in env0. First, in env0, I have here a website that's waiting for approval. The plan you can see here, it's recreating a bunch of objects. Let's go look at VS Code, see what that looks like. In VS Code, I've already installed the extension through the marketplace and logged in with my API key. Immediately, it will show you the environment based on the branch. And here my cat website is pending approval. So I can approve it, I can cancel it, or I can destroy, or I can just open an env0. Before I approve it though, I want to see exactly what's going on in the logs. So we come to the Outputs tab, and we can see here that there are 7 additions and 7 to destroy. Additionally, I can go click on the outputs to see exactly what's going on. Before I do that, let's take a quick look and go ahead and hit approve. When I approve the deployment, the logs will start refreshing based on the steps within the approval process. Deployment is almost complete, and as it's wrapping up, we can go to the website and click on this link. Here we see, okay, great. My new dev environment is up and running, and I've delivered an env0 cat. Let's take a quick look at modifying code and see how that works. Let's update the website with a different logo. The apply is finished. It's just wrapping up. And we got a notification. It's active now. Great. Let's go to the website and check it out. Very cool. All right. Thank you for watching.